Hello, Grace Fellowship. Hey, over the last couple of weeks, a number of different folks from the church have been reaching out to us, meaning the elders and pastors, just asking for some guidelines, some counsel as to when people should return to church or church activities if they've been exposed to COVID or if they've actually had COVID. So we just want to provide some guidelines for you guys so that you could guide your decision making in the future. So if you have had COVID, we ask that you would wait till at least 10 days after you first started showing symptoms, or until 10 days after you first tested positive. In addition to the 10-day wait, we ask that at that 10th day, that you would, all the symptoms that you have had would be improving. So whatever you did have, they're just generally better now than they formerly were. And then third, all three of this needs to be met. Third would be that you are fever-free for at least 24 hours, and that fever-freeness must be because you're not taking medicine. So you need to be fever-free without the use of ibuprofen or Advil. So if it's 10 days from first symptoms or a positive test, your symptoms are actually improving and you're fever-free without medicine for 24 hours, you are welcome to join us back for worship service or different church activities. Now, for those of you who've been exposed, it's a similar path. We ask that you'd wait till at least 10 days from first exposure. At the end of that 10th day, please confirm that you're not showing any symptoms, and if you are, then reevaluate and go from there. You can speed this up a little bit per the Georgia Department of Health. If you wait 7 days and have no symptoms and have a negative test, then you are free to return to church activities or worship as well. However, there's one thing about that test, is that that test must be conducted no less than 5 days after your exposure. So if you were exposed on a Monday, you can't take a test on a Wednesday or a Thursday, because even if you did have it, you wouldn't show positive yet on the test. So if you're exposed on Monday, we ask that you wait till Saturday, the 5th day after exposure, to get that test. And then if it's negative in 7 days, then please come back and join us for our activities. But in all cases, obviously, just be monitoring yourself for the full 14 days, which is what both the CDC and the Georgia Department of Health says. Thank you for your time, and we just look forward to worshiping together safely in the future.